Did you potty train to start treatment? Do you have to potty train the dog then?
Yeah.
Is it harder than potty training a human?
Surprisingly, I don't know what was harder.
You forgot his name.
Yeah, like my youngest is 4 now, so it's been a few years since I had to teach her.
Yeah.
Well, it's only been over the last few years.
Yeah.
But no, the dog isn't that bad, to be honest. As long as she goes out 2-3 walks a day.
Yeah.
She don't really like to wee and poo in our own environment, which is good. So
okay, good. She likes to keep clean.
yeah, and she, do you know what's surprising? Listens.
Really?
Yeah, at first I was dreading getting a dog. Because I thought, do you know what, they can either go 1 or 2 ways, dogs, can't they?
Yeah.
It can be a pet you really love and listens, or it can be a pet that does not listen.
Yeah.
And that you want to get rid of.
Yeah. But luckily,
yeah,
it was well behaved. Does she eat a lot then?
Yeah, she eats about 1.2 kg a day.
What? Of what?
Raw.
Raw meat?
Yeah, raw beef.
What?
Yeah.
Is that normal?
Yeah, 6% of body fat. So
where do you get the meat then?
There's actually, because there's a lot of them dogs in the area, they've actually opened, it's called Raw and More, which is